Hello, 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 hello. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be doing a video on some contacts. I'm going to do a review, unboxing of, what is this called? Contacts from Pinky Paradise. Hello, how are you? Hey guys, it's Nikki, and today I'm going to be doing a review on Pinky Paradise. Pinky Paradise. It's a website where you get contacts, colored contacts. And I wanted to buy some contacts because I want to do a transformation video. I wanted to do a transformation video on Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph because I think she's so cute, and I've seen a lot of people do transformations of her, and I think that I would do good with doing a transformation of her because my hair is almost like her style anyway, so I don't think I have to get a wig. But what I needed was a few things. Basically, I got to make my prosthetic ears because her ears are huge, and I got these green contacts because her eyes is basically like a little bit of brown and then light brown and then green on the outside. So I was like, let me just get some green eyes. And this is what inspired me to get green contacts. So I'm going to be reviewing these contacts from Pinky's Paradise first, and then I'm going to be using these contacts to do my transformation video into Vanellope, and I'm so excited for that. I'm going to be doing that soon, so stay tuned and be sure you subscribe so that you will get that video to pop up when I upload it very shortly. So on that note, I'm going to be doing a review on the Pinky Paradise contacts. So let me start off by saying that their whole process of purchasing on the site is basically from another country. So certain places like US and other countries, they need your prescription to, like from a doctor to from an optometrist to do your contacts. Even if you get contacts with zero prescription, they need your prescription thing. So I got green because, like I said, Vanellope's eyes are green, and I ordered these in my prescription that I have with my glasses, but they told me they didn't have it, so then I had to reorder it, but they said, oh, it's our fault, so we'll give you a 50% off coupon. So I was like, cool. So I used my 50% off coupon to get order of contacts with no prescription, just the color. So I finally got it. It came from Germany, which was weird because I thought it was from South Korea or Malaysia. It went from Malaysia to Germany to the US. I don't know. I don't care as long as it's here. It took about a couple weeks. Not as long as my Tokyo treat box, which I did today. I had opened my third Tokyo treat box. If you want to check that out, link in the description box below. But let's start with this. So it comes in this package, little envelope, and then it has this little card. Keep me, I'll reward you. Pinky Paradise. It's called Pinky Paradise. It tells you follow instructions, keep hands clean, check all the expiry. I think this is a 3-month type of lens that you can wear 3 months. So it basically shows you how to put on your contacts and like returns and all that stuff. So I know how to put contact lenses because I've used contacts before in the past. So it comes with these little animal contact lens cases, which is cool. Contact lens case. It's like a little pig. Oink oink. And this is where I would put my lenses after I use them, in this little thingy bob. So I'm going to use that. That's cool. That's cool. They give you a free lens case. That's really nice. And then they wrap up the contacts in this foam protector, which is really nice. And they wrap it up like this, and it comes in 2 jars. This says Barbie on it. Don't know why, but it says Barbie. I don't know if you could see it, but I'm gonna flip it upside down. Let's bring it closer. It's a nice, beautiful green. It took me a while to figure out which one I wanted. I think this was called Puffy Bella. I don't know specifically right now because they didn't put it down and I don't remember. It was a couple of weeks ago. So I'm going to put all the information on the website and where you could get this and what specifically the eye color I got. But I think these are like puffy green something. And this is the makes your eyes a little bit bigger, like a big diameter. So on the top it says 0. The prescription is 0. So I'm going to open these and give them a try. Alright, so I'm going to pop these. You know what? I should read the instructions first for a second. Carefully lay this. Okay. Alright. Carefully lay the circle lens and squeeze a few drops of solution. Remove germs by stroking it. Short nails. Ensure lens case filled with multi-purpose solution and left the lens submerged for at least... What? Let the lenses submerge for at least 8 hours before wearing it. Well, I'm not technically going to be wearing it for long. I'm going to just try it on for the purposes of this video, so whatever. Oh, and I bought this Opti-Free Pure Moist contact solution that I'm going to open. Bought it from Walgreens. I didn't know which one to choose, so this was a good price and all. So I'm gonna open. Oh, how do you open this? Is this open already? Oh, it is open. Okay, so I have these contact cases. Okay. This contact case. I know this was clean because it was in a bag that was sealed. So I'm gonna put some solution in there first. Fill that this cavity or whatever, this well up with solution, and then I'm going to open my jar. I don't know how I'm gonna open it. I guess you just pop it open like that. Pop it open, and then okay, that just fell off. Oh wow, this is extremely secure. I never had contact lenses in here. Okay, so the outer part is gone. And now I just have the top part over here. It's like some rubber stopper. See? Like a little rubber stopper. And the contact is in there. Now, I have this garbage that I'm going to pour out the lens in my hand. And it's not coming out. It's like stuck. Oh my gosh. This is literally stuck. All right. Okay, I got it out. My hands are washed. I pre-washed this before. I'm going to clean it out with some solution. Alright. Clean it out with some solution. Wow. Wow. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Look. Look how green it looks. I'm gonna put it on my hand. Look how green this looks. This looks really, really nice. So I'm going to clean this a little bit more with solution. And now I'm going to put it on. Let me see if I can zoom up a little bit. Zoom. What the heck is this? I don't even know how to use my camera. Okay. Zoom. Oops. Is that even like... Okay, wow. This is totally zoomed up, man. I'm going to zoom up more. Zoom up. Oh, this is totally close. So I got the eyeball, the contact. Ah, okay. Here we go. Let's try it. I have makeup on. Oh my gosh. I have makeup on. It literally flipped inside out. Can you believe that? I'm gonna mess up my makeup. Wow! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? I don't want my eyes to get wet, but it feels a little weird. Wow, do you see the difference? Oh my gosh. Look at this side. Wow. Now look at this side. That's me. This is not me. Oh my gosh, it looks crazy. Wow. This is not working. I did it. Oh, I did it. Oh my gosh, how many times did it take me to do that? Like 20 times? Look at my eyes. Look at them. Oh my gosh, look. Oh, wow. Wow, it looks so nice. Oh my gosh. These contact colors are so nice. The light is hitting and everything. Wow. I really like it. Well, mind you, I'm not supposed to be wearing this for like 8 hours until I soak them, but I'm just trying them on right now just for the heck of it. It feels pretty comfortable. I feel like I have something like a little... I feel like I have something that's in my eye, but it's not like super bothering me. Wow, what do you think? Does it look nice with the green? I really like it actually. It really looks nice. Wow. Oh, it makes me want to get blue. Oh no, I'm gonna get more colors now. This is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Wow. Oh my gosh, I'm totally amazed. I'm totally amazed. I don't even know if you could see it now. Can you see the difference of my eyes? Look at my eyes. They're green. Oh my gosh, they're green. Green eyes. My wigs are annoying me now. I don't think I'm gonna wear a wig on my next video because I don't know. It's like I like wigs and all that, but this is like I don't know. I don't know. Maybe I'm not used to it. So that's it. I'm done with my video. I have green eyes now, finally, and I could do my transformation video of Vanellope from Wreck-It Ralph. I think that's going to be so awesome. I can't wait till you guys see it. I know you guys are just going to love it, love it, love it. I'm going to do a little role play, you know. So that's it. That's the end of my video. That's enough. I hope you enjoyed watching me poke my eye out for a million times. On that note, I will see you guys in my next videos. Bye.